Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video we are going to see how you can switch your accounts on your Discord. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So in order to switch your account on your Discord, first of all you have to log out of your account. So for which you have to now first of all open the Discord app. And in here you can see we have opened the Discord app. Now tap on U icon that you can see on the bottom right corner right here. And now this is going to open your profile, and from which you have to now tap on the settings option that you can see in the top right corner right here. So after tapping on it, now scroll all the way down. Then you will be able to see the option of logout. Simply just tap on it in order to log out of this account. Again, tap on logout. Here you can see we have now successfully logged out of your account. Now in here, simply just tap on login in order to log in your another Discord account. After you've done that, now type in your email or your phone number. After typing your email or phone number, you can tap on the option password and simply just type in your password of your Discord account. So after you've typed in your password, you can simply just tap on login. And just like this, here you can see you have now successfully been logged into your another account. You can tap on the U icon again. And like this, you can see this is whole another account of your Discord. And like this, you can switch the account on your Discord. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.